Omwancho morigereria bwa Amaya TV nigo nande ngokwarigania ase channel yega ritang'ani ngwakire ng'ambuya mono ase subscribe na like nande nigo nachire iga gokoretera oroboti rwatwikeire bone iga oroboti oru iga noruo ogoichania timaeti ng'aki ndakwane oroboti oru iga noruo ogokumisana ande onse ase omoibori are orategerere timaeti ng'aki ndakwanegere ng'a yani oigwu gose understand the pain. Ekekore nkere giakoregete ase esukuru ya Nyabisia ya secondary egotoka aria Nyamache sub county ase omwarimu oyo omaimogete agaita omwana omomura akamoita mpaka asaretie etransformer. Bono obogima bwa omwana oyo iga nigo borase akong'wa ase eng'encho bono iga noware ase nyagitari ya Emma atakeire gochi gokorerwa esurgery. Ntagete oraire edaika eyemo otegerere buna omwana oyo iga akoeresa ng'aki ninki omwarimu oyo are komwakera na mpaka ekero amotebetie amwabere amanya komoeresa ase eng'encho nigo egotebekana buna abana aba amatemu narenge ase esukuru. Omwana oyo akanyoru gakoibera amatemu, omwana onde ngwekonya arenge tagwa omwarimu akamonyora. Ekero amonyora omwarimu bono akamoita, omwana gakomotebia ng'a yaya tiga kong'ita nkoerese ng'aki yarenge akamoita rioka mpaka agakora ki ntagete edaika eyemo torategerera buna omwana oyo iga akonyara koba gakoeresa.
Basi utanichapa baadaye after nimekueleza, lakini hakunisikiza akaendelea kunipiga kwenye zangu nyeti, kwa sababu mwalimu alikuwa ameupiga ujana wangu na akaharibu sehemu moja.
Na mwanyare koba mokoigwa oyu na omwana oitetu omwana bwa emiaka 19 omomura oyo ore ekerasi kia form 4 12. Omwana oyo iga bono iga abwanete koba esukuru asome noware nyagitari ase agendererete korwaria chinkoma akorwanirera obogima bwaye ase eng'encho omwarimu amoitete bobe mpaka akomosaria chinsemo chiaye chia nsoni. Riswali ndiri ng'a ninki eke iga gose omwarimu mbororoki obo abwate mpaka aitete omwana goikera ekerengo kenga buna eki iga. Nonye na omonyagitari twanyare koba togokwana nere, onyare koba gakoerera igoro ya eng'ani eke buna banyorete omwana oyo iga buna banyarire koba bakomoshughulikera gose komorigereria goikera bono iga tiga atwange oroboti ng'aki omwana oyo condition ki are goikera bono.
My name is John Kobira, Administrator, Emma Hospital. I'd like to introduce Radio Nyakinanya, who can explain some medical terminologies which I'm not well versed with concerning a case of a writer, Chuma Ondago. Thank you.
My name is Radio Nyakinanya. I'm one of the health care workers in Emma Hospital. And then yesterday we received a case of one student from one of the schools near Ogembo by the name Nyabige Secondary School. Nyabisia, not Nyabige, I'm sorry. And the student is a 19-year male in Form 4. The student came in and there was an ultrasound that was done and one of the testicles was ruptured. But due to it was an emergency and the doctor who was to receive him, he said that he'll be seen early in the morning and then he will be taken to theater. Early in the morning when the surgeon came, he ordered that we do a repeat of the ultrasound, which was done. And then the second ultrasound that was a repeat, it showed the same result as the one that was done in Ogembo. And then it was an emergency and the student was taken to theater immediately and the procedure was done successfully. Now I may read one of the reports that I have. This is a 19-year-old who presented with a testicle pain and swelling after being caned by a person known to him at school who was a teacher. and it was during an exam that day was going on. Physical exam related skeletal, placenta, and tenderness on the test. Testicular ultrasound showed no flow to the test. It was taken in for emergency surgery with findings of fibrous left testicular tissue. And the trial was done and noted that the tests were viable. We elected to perform a bilateral orchidopexy for a belly clapper deformity. Yeah. Maybe kama nitaongea kwa Kiswahili kidogo, huu ni mwanafunzi na mwanafunzi alikuwa na miaka 19 as reported, na walisema alikuwa anafanya mtihani wa
Muna moigure ori no roboti rwo munyagitari onyare kuba gagotwerera omwana oye condition yachite bunare na gwikira bonega asa atebire ng'a omwana ona anyarete koba gakuumizwa nanyarete koba gakoe guchinkoma chiri chintindi ase bonega bagendete koba bakumurigereri nasa gochi konyara koba kagokorerwa operation egere arorwa ng'a naki gose ng'aki agochi koba gose nkobwenare buya. Boigo ntwanyora chingaki twakwana n'omu county police commander Charles Kasese. Nigo boigo nere anyarire kogikiria egekoro eki iga na goteba ng'a eki na egekoro yani hii ni kitendo ya kinyama ase eng'encho omwarimu takonyara koba kagokorera omwana egekore buna eki. Onye ore komoita iga are komoita ebiranya buya iga ase abwenerete tari komuumiza. Yani bono omwarimu iga asaretie etransformer pi agakora. County commander otebire ng'a oroboti oiro iga banyarire koba bakoronyora ochire onyarire koba gakovisit omwana oyo iga oyo onyarete koba gagokorerwa egekoro eki iga naende bono nigo atebire ng'a nigo bagochia kobwata gochakia obotuki gose kobwata egekoro eki iga na
Okay, kwa majina naitwa Mr. Charles Kasese, County Police Commander Kisii. We have just received reports from members of public that there's one boy who is a Form 4 student at Nyabisha Secondary School who was assaulted yesterday by his teachers. And unfortunately, he was seriously assaulted and his private parts were seriously injured. I've come to witness, to confirm that if that's true, the boy was taken through surgical process this evening and is feeling okay now. And we are calling upon students who saw the incident, teachers who also witnessed the incident, to make a report, to record statements so that we can get justice to this boy. This is a very heinous act because now it's a grievous harm actually, because from the information that we are getting is that the boy is accused of exam malpractice, which should not we should not be undergo this process. So this from this time onwards, we are investigating. Our officers are already on the ground to get the nitty-gritties so that we can arrest those perpetrators who assaulted the boy. For now, that's all that I can say. Already, we are taking action. Yes.
Omwancho omorigereri ebi na ebikore bigenderete kwenekigwa ase orongongo rwaitu rwa Gusii. Egeka getaraeta mono nigo twanyora ng'a omwana nere koruga ari manga esukuru ya oboroso nigo omwarimu anyarete koba gakomoita akamoita bobe mpaka omwana oria agasinywa goikaransa. Ase bono tokoeboria naki abarimu ninki eke gekare koirera mpaka mogoita abana iga inki ekebe omonto onye kabwate obororo tari ase omwana akoboikeri gose bono abarimu depression babwate omwarimu bono onyora ng'aki ase ngoikereri na omwana inki kerabe gekogera abarimu bagoita abana bobe iga naende bakobaita batari gokumia ng'a gose omwana oyo oumire gose taraumia. Ntagete ase comment onyare gokorika ebirengereri biao ontebina naki ningi kiabe nane ningi tobwanete gokora erinde ebikore buna ebiga bichikonyara koba bigosira ase orogongo rwa Gusii ase eng'encho oboiga na obosokwa obonene buna abagusii tokonya kogigwa naki ng'a kere bad news no ekorwa Gusii, kere egento ekebe no gekorwa Gusii. Mbuya mono sana genderera like na subscribe ase echannel eye iga.